Hi Manish, welcome to Peeping Moon. So firstly, tell me something. How did this innovative idea of Kya Bolti Public come to your mind?
See, honestly, it was the idea of Flipkart, and the team got in touch with me, and it was right after the lockdown, and we all were discussing that what all we can do, and that's when the idea came up, and honestly, I didn't know that it's gonna work so well, and touch wood, we are very happy that a lot of people have joined in, and a lot of people are enjoying, and a lot of people are winning. So that's a great news for us.
Okay, so how has your experience overall been, shooting for the show from home? And this is the first time you must be doing that. How has it been?
It's going great. It's different areas I've explored that honestly I can shoot a show on my own. I didn't have any idea on that. I've never done that. I've never been a blogger or anything that I make my videos and post online.
Yeah.
But yes, now I'm honestly making a show on my own, alone in the house. Putting the lights, putting different angles, and all those things, and it's really really interesting.
Okay. Okay, so how do you come up with such interesting questions for the audience and, keep them entertained?
We have a great team who is working for us, and the entire team comes up with the ideas, and these are the kind of questions we can keep, because we wanted to keep it very normal. We wanted to keep it very in which you don't really have to use a lot of your brain. Just be easy, have a good time, enjoy. बड़ी रोजमर्रा वाले सवाल हैं जो डेली लाइफ में होते हैं. So those kind of questions we are keeping. So we are quite happy, and the good part is that people are really happy with the questions, because the show is for people. It's for the public. Kya bolti public hai. So unhi ke liye hai show, and if they are happy, we are happy.
So do you get any surprising answers also from the participants, and the answers that make you go like, what? I didn't expect that, something like that?
A lot of them. Most surprising is this only, that suddenly Arnab Goswami ne jeeti aur main jeeta. So I was no offenses, yeah. It's all in the good humor, and I'm happy that it's very important to have a good sense of humor, and especially in this kind of a situation. And I'm happy that people are enjoying the humor, because serious baatein to hum sab kar hi rahe hain. We know the kind of situation we all are in. So the best part is ki lighter mahal rahe. People have a smile on their face. They are sitting at their home. We are not breaking the lockdown. We are following the rules. People are sitting, playing, getting engaged, and winning something. So I think it's a win-win for all.
More about the web space. How are you liking it? Because had it not been there, even your show with Flipkart, Kya Bolti Public, that you're doing now, wouldn't have been possible.
I think web has definitely not only now. It had definitely opened up a lot. But yes, due to the lockdown, it has gone to another level. Shows are being made from home and put online. A lot of web series are being planned. A lot of short films are being planned and made and put online. So definitely, it has grown a lot now.
Also, tell me something more about the Flipkart collaboration, because you of course told me earlier also that Flipkart came to you with this idea, but what was your approach like? Were you a little hesitant to do it, or were you like, let's do it, at one go?
Honestly, I had no idea. I was a little confused. I will not say that the moment I heard the idea, I jumped on it. I was a little confused that kaise hoga. Then they told me that, Manish, Flipkart ka page hai. You go to the page. On the right, there is a video button. You click that, and your show will be here. And that's how, I got the idea. And then we shot a couple of sample episodes. That was a great idea they gave me, that why don't you shoot, get a little comfortable. So I was happy, and I'm happy that my daughter really helps me in shooting at times. So she becomes my teleprompter at times. I can't remember anything. So I'll show you a whiteboard. You will be. So this is my teleprompter.
Oh, okay. That's great.
So but I keep telling everybody, it's a good situation we are in. इसको भी आप positive लो. इसके अंदर भी आप देखो हम और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. So that's what I have learned from the show, and मजा आ रहा है. मुझे बहुत लोगों के फोन आते हैं. अच्छा, कई लोग बड़ा फनी होता है. कई लोग कहते हैं, अरे मनीष सही आंसर क्या है बता देना. ऐसा नहीं है, सही आंसर पब्लिक बना रही है. So it's the people who are voting.
So,
exactly. दो ऑप्शन है. anybody who's voting for the answer, जिस आंसर को मैक्सिमम वोट्स मिलते हैं, दैट बिकम्स द राइट आंसर. सो यू नो वो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. अब लोगों को और समझ आ रहा है और ज्यादा जुड़ रहे हैं लोग. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
That's great. Also, I wanted to ask that when the lockdown, the first lockdown that was announced, a lot of people got a little demotivated and they were like, we don't want to do anything now, we'll just sit at home. But you are working now and you have been constantly working even after the lockdown. So were you like, when the lockdown was announced, you decided then and there that no, I'm going to make the most of it?
हाँ यार, my only problem is I'm a workaholic. मेरे से फ्री नहीं बैठा जाता. मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मैं एक दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. वो नहीं होता मुझसे. I like to work, I like to think, I like to create new things. So that is one thing which is always on, you know, 24/7. So ये पता चल रहा था लॉकडाउन होगा, सिचुएशन थोड़ी खराब होने वाली है, तो मैं ऑलरेडी मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया था सोचना कि नाउ इफ आई एम एट होम व्हाट विल आई डू. सो यू नो सबने अपने चैनल्स भी बना लिए हैं, and thankfully I got this show, so I'm working on this show. There are a lot of scripts I'm writing also. I'm working on some short films. So बहुत सारी चीजें जिस पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, because मुझे लगता है जो सिचुएशन आए उसका बेस्ट यूज कैसे करना है वो हमें डिसाइड करना होता है. So thankfully अच्छा है, God has been really kind.
And tell me, what is your lockdown routine like? Are you like, you're of course working, but are you like helping at home also, and what is it like?
मेरा रूटीन बहुत प्लान्ड है. यू नो बहुत से लोग हैं जो कहते हैं अरे यार हम तो बोर हो गए. मेरे पास बोर होने का टाइम ही नहीं है honestly, because I've kept myself really busy. I wake up, I do my workout, I finish my workout, I spend some time with my kids. After that, you know, I start getting ready for my shoot. They help me a lot in that. वो मेरा room setup करते हैं, because this is the room I shoot in. Okay. So, people, आप क्या बोलती पब्लिक के सेट पे हैं यार.
That's
you know?
great, yeah.
So this is the room I shoot from, and after that, you know, for 3, 4, 5 hours I get into my shoot. After that, evening is my time again with my kids, and you know, the moment they go off to bed, इसके बीच में मैं थोड़ी कुकिंग में भी हेल्प करता हूँ अपनी वाइफ की. You know, I love it. वो करने के बाद मैं जब सब हमारे बच्चे जब दोनों सो जाते हैं, then we watch a film. So that's our routine, and that's what it's going good, man.
And during this entire lockdown, is there any old hobby of yours that you know you had left back behind after getting busy with work, but now you are, you know, redoing that hobby? Is there anything like that?
I actually, yes, I've done that also. So I love music. You know, so I have a piano at home. My daughter plays the piano. She's learning also. I never had the time to actually sit down and play the piano. But now I am finding time, and thankfully I'm learning a lot. I'm learning the piano now. So that is something I really wanted to do. But shooting se late aao, thak jao, so jao, subah gym jao, shooting chale jao. So same routine was on. But now I am finding time, and yes, I have started uploading some videos of my piano playing also, and people are enjoying. So yeah, so trying something new.
Okay, so I see a lot of people keep asking this, that you know, one thing that you will do after the lockdown is lifted. So what is that one thing that you are going to do?
Yeah, सबसे पहले तो I really sounds very cliched, but I want to visit the temple. I really want to thank God that you know, whatever the situation is, He's been kind to us. ठीक है, थोड़ा ups and downs हैं, but still I think the Almighty is looking out for all of us. You know, His blessings are there. So first thing I want to do is that, and next I don't know yaar, I think पता नहीं क्या क्या खुलेगा, धीरे-धीरे we'll get back to the normal life. So as and when maybe go to a restaurant if that opens up, if it's in the rules. so let's see.
Also, Manisha, I wanted to ask that where do you get so much positivity from? Like, I keep seeing your social media also. It's filled with so much, you know, love and happiness, and you're so calm. So I'm sure all your fans, they need tip right now as to how to stay calm and positive and, you know, happy at the same time.
Yeah, I always tell everybody, whatever the situation is, keep the humor alive. मैं हर एक को बोलता हूँ, हर सिचुएशन में एक अच्छा ह्यूमर ढूंढ लेना चाहिए. तो क्या है, you sail through easy. हर सिचुएशन में बैठ जाओ, अरे यार क्या होगा यार, पता नहीं कैसे होगा यार, तो वो नहीं होता. Thankfully I've learned this from my father. He has got a great sense of humor. मुझे याद है कुछ भी अगर up and down होता था, I never saw my father tensed or serious. You know, I never saw कि अरे यार पापा टेंशन में अब कैसे होगा. So you know, I try and do the same thing. I try and copy my father in that. कि you know nobody sees me serious, वो मस्ती में देखते हैं मुझे कि अच्छा ठीक है, और कभी मैं सीरियस से थोड़ा ऐसा होता हूँ तो मैं थोड़ा सा कट ऑफ हो जाता हूँ for half an hour and I'm back because I don't want कि मेरी टेंशन किसी और पे आए, मुझे लगता है मेरी स्माइल किसी और पे जाए, that is much better. So I think we all should just try and live like that. ह्यूमर को लाइव रखो, मस्त रहो, कुछ नहीं होता, जो बुरा होता है उसका अंत भी होता है, we'll all you know sail through, आगे बढ़ेंगे, but just hold on, be strong, have a smile on your face.
Okay, that's great. Tell me something, in your Kya Bolti public style, one last message for all your fans and everyone who actually enjoys the show and comes every day to play it.
Well, firstly, thank you so much to the entire audience जो लोग इतने प्यार से खेल रहे हैं, और कई है थोड़े से 1-2% जिनको भी कई थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन होती है, बट आपके थ्रू मैं डालना चाहता हूँ, तक पहुंचाना चाहता हूँ कि फ्लिपकार्ट वीडियो के पेज पे जाना है, वहाँ राइट हैंड साइड पे वीडियो का आइकन है, उसको प्रेस करोगे मैं आपके पास आ जाऊंगा। और क्या बोलती पब्लिक के अंदाज में लोगों को एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, कोरोना जो है उससे लड़ना है, डरना नहीं, और बीवी जो है उससे डरना है, लड़ना नहीं है।
That's a great tip. Okay, thank you so much, Manish, for chatting with us.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye-bye.